Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to our online classes from LBM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today I am here with a remaining part of exercises of the poem books from your English reader book. So students, in our previous video, we had done some true false and some other exercises from this chapter. Now we are going to do the exercise E, that is, write 4 sentences on what you like to do at school. Use words from the box. So students, here you have to write 4 sentences. What do you like to do at your school? And you have to use the words from the given box. First, I like to read and play, or I like to read, write in my school. I like to play at my school. The third one is I also sing song at my school. I eat my lunch in the interval period. Now students, let's have some fun time. Here are something you find in a library. Write their names. So students, do you know what is library? The collection of books are called library. So students, in library you find lots of books related to different subjects, autobiography, festivals, comic, storybooks, etc. So students, in library you find many things. So here you have to write the name of the given picture with the help of the words given in this box. So students, look at the first picture. What are these? These are newspapers. So the first one is already done for you. Now let's come to the second one. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a globe. This is a globe. So you have to write globe in the second picture. The spelling of globe is G-L-O-B-E, globe. Now let's come to the third picture. What are these? Yes, these are magazines. So students, you have to write magazines in the third picture. The spelling of magazine is magazines. Magazines. Now students, let's come to the fourth picture. Look at this picture. What is this? Do you know? Yes, this is notice board. So students, in the fourth picture, you have to write notice board. The spelling of notice board is Notice, notice, BOARD, board, notice board. Now, let's come to the fifth picture. What are these? These are bookshelves. Sorry. This is a reading table. What is this? This is a reading table. So, you have to write reading table in the fifth picture. So, the spelling of reading table is READING, reading, TABLE, table, reading table. Now, let's come to the last picture. What is this? These are bookshelves. So students, do you know why do we use bookshelves? We use bookshelf to keep our books. So in the last picture you have to write bookshelf. So the spelling of bookshelves is BOOK, book, SHELVES, book shelves. Now students, let's read the hard words from this chapter, books. So in this poem, the first hard word is library. So, the meaning of library is collection of books. Now, the next hard word is skinny. SKINNY, skinny. It means too thin. The next hard word is STOOD, stood. It means stand. STAND, stand. Now, let's come to the next hard word, that is told. TOLD, told. It means tell. TELL, tell. Now, let's come to the last hard word, that is wonderful. So, the spelling of wonderful is WONDERFUL, wonderful. It means fantastic. The spelling of fantastic is FANTASTIC, fantastic. So students, these are the hard words from the poem books. I hope you enjoy this poem very much and understood all the exercises of this chapter. Now you have to do this hard word and all the exercises in your fair copy. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.